cyber sisters and misters. Do you want to watch me go from basic to Soleil on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me. Now that my hair is cleansed and hydrated, let's feed in these braids, if and only if by a thread and a prayer. You all know I'm a little challenged, a little deficient in adding hair in cornrows and flat twists and all of that stuff, but we made it through. The end result will be cute, and yeah, we're gonna move on. I added 4 feed-in style cornrows to the perimeter of my hairline, and I was sure to make the braids skinty and as neat as possible. I'm going for a look, a certain look, sis, so just stay with me. So after getting the braids in, I'll use Wetline Extreme Gel to slick up my hair into a mid to high level ponytail. I'm applying gel to the root of my hair in sections. Now the amount of gel that you use or product is totally at your discretion. I'm only using just enough so that I can slick my hair down for now. We do have rain in the forecast here, so I'll need to be able to fit my hair into a hat, or fit my hair under a hat, that is, while I'm patrolling and during traffic stops and stuff like that. I don't want to have a head full of wet, uncovered hair. And for this particular style, if I were to wear it to work while patrolling, I would have to, of course, wrap the ponytail end into a bun, and my hair just won't fit into that hat when it's in a high bun. So I'll only wear this for a few days. Probably I'll take it down just before the rain arrives. I 2-strand twisted the ends of the cornrows and I pinned them to the back of the ponytail with bobby pins. After that, I added just a little bit of vitamin E oil to the ball of my tucked natural ponytail. I did this to combat the friction that the braiding hair may cause later. Then I added a little mousse to the cornrows before covering the hair for about 15 minutes or so. You can use mousse or freeze spray. Either product will guide those flyaways in the right direction. Use a product with fantabulous hold to snatch those edges, but use something soft like a soft bristled brush or something, because we're not trying to snatch them bald. We need our edges all 2020 and beyond. I'm back with the Easy Braid brand hair. This is 26 inches. It is in the number 4, and it's also pre-stretched. Now, looking back in hindsight, I will not use pre-stretched hair anymore for this type of hairstyle unless I flat iron my natural hair first. But we made it do what we needed it to. Now add the band to make it fit. Rewind if needed, because my hands move quick. But just for you, I'll show it again, because I really want you to get this, my friend. Hey. Wrap the band a couple of times to attach the easy braid. Smooth the hair. Flip the hair braid to the other side and then begin to braid. Simple, simple. I created a very loose 3-strand braid, and then I flipped the braid to the other side. Now with that braid, you're going to use it to cover your natural ponytail. Just spread the braid, cover it, and pin it in place. left a small portion of the braiding hair braided loosely, secure the end of the braid where you stopped it with the rubber band. Use freeze spray or spritz on the section of hair that you'll use to cover the rubber band. Now the end of the braid is left to hang freely for now. Cyber sisters, I want you to pay special attention to this next part. It looks complicated. The side knot braid definitely looks a little bit intimidating, but I promise you, even the most complex skills can be mastered with clear step-by-step instructions. Pinch off a slim section from the tail. Create a loop with the slim section. Position the tail of the loop behind the end of the ponytail. Bring the tail of the loop back through the loop. Pull the tail of the loop to tighten. Repeat. Knot the hair as high or low to fit your preferences. Then secure the end by wrapping hair around it with the help of the freeze spray. Add a few rods to the end and dip in hot water for about 30 seconds for frizz-free curls in a flash. Voila! Instant curls. You get instant curls after the boiling hot water dip. Press out the excess water and you're ready to go. Stand by while I slide into my faux fur and act like I have somewhere to go too, other than downstairs to fold this laundry. But here's the final look. Snatched, slayed. Side knot success, sis. You can't tell me nothing, sis. You can't tell me nothing. Hello?
Hello, Sunkissed.
Speaking.
About this style, I called to tell you.
Didn't I tell you? Y'all can't tell me nothing. Nothing. I know I've said it many times before. These videos take a lot of time to make and a lot of love to make great. Show me some love. I need you to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment. So privately, many of you have asked how to add a comment to a video. I'll answer it publicly again. First, you'll need to log into your YouTube account using your Gmail address and your password. Then you'll follow these simple steps from your cell phone. To add a comment to the Sunkissed Neck channel to a particular video, select the video, scroll upward, up, and then you'll see where it says comments there at the top. just add a comment to that top line, and I really thank you for your support. After you've added the comment, simply press the blue arrow. Bam, your comment's there. That's it. All right, now no more excuses in 2020, okay guys? No more excuses. Leave me a comment. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nick. Thanks for watching. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed Says.